Stop burning your hard-earned money on expensive AI subscriptions. Seriously, put your credit card away. What if I told you the tools you're probably paying hundreds of dollars a month for are already available right now, completely free? I'm talking about AI that can generate cinematic 4K-style videos, build full apps from scratch, create high-quality images, and even design consistent 3D characters without a single subscription. In this video, I'm revealing 5 hidden AI gems that almost nobody is talking about. These aren't basic alternatives, they genuinely rival some of the biggest paid tools out there. One can generate up to 15 seconds of high-quality video, another works like a senior software engineer, and one lets you create consistent 3D characters for free. If you want a part 2 with even more tools like this, drop unlimited in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive right in. Welcome! The first tool on our list is Qwen 2.6 AI, which is currently available for free. If you scroll down here, you'll see that you can do a lot: starring, casting characters, multiple shot storytelling, image generation, multi-image control, and a whole lot more. To get started, click on Try Now right here. This will take you to the playground where you can generate videos, create images, and even create avatars. Let's say I want to generate a video. I'll click on the video option and then hit Try Now. Good. There is so much you can do with this particular tool. If you check the settings, you can cast any character you want, or you can even upload your own custom character. For this example, let's create something from scratch. I'll simply type the prompt, "A man riding a bicycle in China." There are plenty of settings you can tweak here. You can select a resolution of up to 1080p, choose your aspect ratio, and set the duration from 5 seconds all the way up to 15 seconds, which is huge. You'll notice the credit option is turned off by default because this is currently a free tool. Mind you, you can also add frames, incorporate images into the video, as well as add audio. I'm not going to do any of that right now. I'll simply click on Create, and let's see what we get. Because it is free, the only caveat is that it might take some time to generate the video, since you aren't paying for priority access. That is the only downside, but aside from that, this is a 100% free tool for generating videos and images. With that said, you can also generate images by toggling on the image generator, or create an AI avatar. This is massive, and you can do all of this for free without paying a dime. With the image generation tool, you can even add a reference image to guide the output. Furthermore, if you use the AI avatar feature, the character will actually talk, just like the avatar you saw during the introduction of this video. You can do the exact same thing in this tool for free. Now, let's move on to our next AI tool while we wait for the previous one to finish generating. Our next tool is Qwen AI. Qwen AI comes from the same parent company, and they are essentially giving you a whole suite of AI tools for free. This is a completely free platform that can act as your text-based AI chatbot, similar to ChatGPT or Gemini. As you can see, you can conduct research, perform searches, like searching on Google, do deep research, and handle both image and video generation. Whatever you want to do, simply click on the corresponding feature. Let's say I want to create an AI video. I'll simply click on Video Generation, and a new tab will open for me. Let's check it out. You might see a notification. This means you must log in before you can use the AI video generation feature. I'll simply go ahead and log into my account. Good. Now that I have successfully logged in, I'll click on Video Generation again. You simply need to describe what you want to generate. If you look down here, you can see videos that other people have already generated with this tool. I'll type in my prompt, "Neon City in China with futuristic flying cars." As you can see, you can select your aspect ratio. I'm going to leave it on 16:9. You can also upload a reference image or face frame, but I'm not going to do that. I will simply click on Send. Qwen AI will start generating the video for free. You can also generate images and access all features for free. Now, let's move on to our next AI tool. This particular tool can actually code a website or an app for you within minutes. Our next free AI tool is GLM 4.7. This tool can code an app or website in minutes, perform deep research, create AI slides, and much more. To demonstrate, I will click on Write Code. I'll type exactly what I want GLM to do for me. I'll type Code a to-do list app for me, and then click Send. It will start generating everything for us. Let's give it a moment. As you can see, it is actively coding the app. Here is the code, and here is the preview of what has been created. It's a functioning app that you can actually share with friends and family. It has active tasks and completed tasks. When I'm done with a task, I simply toggle it, and it moves to completed. These are the active ones, and if I toggle them, they become completed. It's as simple as that. Now that you know this, let's move on to our next AI tool. But please, if you've watched this far, kindly like, subscribe, and comment unlimited under this video so I can keep bringing you amazing AI videos like this. Let's move on. Our next AI tool is Perchance.org. If you come to the Generators section, you'll see a whole list of AI generators available. There are so many options here where you can go through and find exactly what you want to create. There's one thing you should keep in mind. Check the numbers attached to the tools. For example, this one has 5.9K views. This indicates the number of people who have viewed and used this particular tool. I recommend always going for the ones with higher views, as it means people love it and it likely gives better results. There are a lot of AI tools listed here that you can use to generate videos and images for free. I'm going to use this specific AI character generator. I can generate anything here. Let's type a dog eating pizza. You can select the style you want. It has a lot of art styles to choose from, such as painted anime, casual photo, cinematic, digital painting, concept art, or you can simply select no style. For this example, I will choose 3D Disney character. For the aspect ratio, you can select portrait, square, or landscape. I will select square. Now I simply click on Generate. Let's give it a moment. As you can see, the image is done generating. The dog is eating pizza. If you scroll down, it will keep generating more variations for you. When you find one you like, you simply have to save it onto your device. This is an entirely free AI tool that you can use to generate unlimited AI images. Now let's move to our last but not least free AI tool from China. You are going to love this one. Our last AI tool on this list is ERNIE by Baidu. This is a massive AI tool. When you check it out, you'll see an interface similar to ChatGPT or Gemini, where you can ask questions and conduct research. But it does more than that. You can actually generate unlimited AI images and even edit existing images. When you click on Image Studio, you will see a whole lot of features available: style imitation, style transfer, background replace, repaint, and remove. I'm going to change the background of this image of a dancing baby. With the image uploaded, I can simply use the Replace Background feature. I'll type the prompt, Neon City in Japan, and hit Send. It will start working on the image. Let's give it a moment and see what we get. Look at this. It changed the image completely. It even adapted the style to match the new background. This is amazing. It's very beautiful. I'll simply go ahead and download them. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.